Welcome back, everyone. Today we are going to be doing a Prohibition era cocktail that is very light, very sweet, yet tart at the same time. We're going to be making the bee's knees. For this cocktail, it is going to be a shaken cocktail, so make sure you have your shaker tin ready. Make sure you have your jigger for accurate measurement. This is going to be going in a coupe glass. Ideally, you do want this chilled, but hey, I'm in my kitchen at home. I don't know what to tell you. I only got so much room in my fridge. We are going to need fresh squeezed lemon juice. You're going to need honey syrup. I have just purchased mine, but you can always make yours from scratch as well. And then your favorite brand of gin. As always, the recipe will be listed down below. That way you can build the cocktail right along with me. So we are going to start with half an ounce of our fresh squeezed lemon juice, half an ounce of our honey syrup, and then last but not least is going to be 2 full ounces of our favorite gin. I will say this particular cocktail, if you actually look it up, they do typically make it with 3/4 of an ounce of the lemon and the honey syrup. You can also make it that way as well. This is just what I've chosen to do with the size coupe glass that I have. And fun facts. Oh yes, don't forget, we're going to shake. We're going to fill this up with ice and shake until it's ice cold in our hand, about 15 to 20 seconds. So fun fact about this cocktail is that it is actually a Prohibition era cocktail. And the reason that it is called bee's knees is just from the slang of something being really cool or really awesome.
You're the bee's knees.
You're the bee's knees. And aside from that too, this one, actually the honey syrup was actually added in to cover up the flavor of bad gin at the time. So nowadays we should not have bad gin, but yeah, to each their own. All right, we're going to shake for 15 to 20 seconds. Oh no, it's stuck. Wow, I don't know what happened there. All right, so we did use that fresh lemon juice, so make sure you're going to use your Hawthorne strainer and your mesh strainer for this one. And we're going to go straight into our coupe. Oh, beautiful. For the garnish for this one, it does typically call for a lemon twist, but I decided to go a little bit more subtle and I'm using a lemon disc. And with that being said, I'm also going to just express my lemon disc over the top. So you just kind of give it a pinch. And then I like to flatten it back out so that way when I drop it into the cocktail, it's actually going to float rather than sink. Voila. And there it is. The bee's knees cocktail. Oh, she's so lemony. Little sweet, little tart from the, little tart from the lemon, sweet from the honey. Very refreshing, way too easy to drink. Don't forget, guys, if you enjoy the cocktails and my gorgeous face, don't forget that. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you're trying the cocktails at home. Until the next pour, cheers!